Welcome to our channel. If you want to access or manage location history on your Chromecast device, follow this quick guide to understand how the feature works. Step 1. Understand that Chromecast doesn't store traditional location history like mobile devices. However, your connected Google account may track locations related to device usage. Step 2. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. This app controls all your Chromecast settings and connected devices. Step 3. Tap on your Chromecast device from the list of available devices shown on the home screen. Step 4. Select the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol, to access device-specific options and configurations. Step 5. Look for privacy or location services settings within the menu. These options control how your device uses location data. Step 6. To view location history associated with your Google account, open your web browser and go to myactivity.google.com. Sign in with the same account linked to your Chromecast. Step 7. Navigate to the Location History section to see tracked locations. You can manage, delete, or pause location tracking from this dashboard. Step 8. Return to your Chromecast settings if you want to disable location services entirely for this device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.